Before you begin, remove the access panel, the front bezel, and the drives cage. Removal. Detach the SD card reader connector from the motherboard. Remove the Torx T15 screw that secures the SD card reader to the front of the unit. Remove the SD card reader. Replacement. Note, there are 2 locator pegs on the SD card reader that fit into small holes at the front of the chassis. Align the 2 locator pegs with the small holes and insert the pegs into their holes on the unit. Replace the Torx T15 screw to secure the SD card reader to the front of the unit. Reattach the SD card reader connector to the motherboard.